Just like Uniblab, robotic kick and flab. My flavor be the batter, chitter chatter, madder than the Mad Hatter. I bet you my shit come out fatter. Got the data to turn your body into antimatter. And just like a piece of sizzling, you fit inside my stomach with the edge of grits between. The king is what I mean, my man, get a cup and put some change inside your hand. Now hold up, let's make this official. Everybody let's agree that MCs need a tissue. The funk's my only issue. I bet your mama miss you, and I bet the Mac take off like an MX missile. No more you whining on the charts climbing as I make the funk kicking out more harder than a diamond. And if you didn't know who's rhyming, I guess I'm gonna say Craig Mack with perfect timing. You won't be around next year, my rap's too severe, kicking mad flavor in your ear. Here comes the brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. That's brand new flavor in your ear. Craig Mack, 1,000 degrees. You'll be on your knees and you'll be burning, begging, please. Brother Freeze, man indisputed, a deep-rooted funk smoke that leaves your brains booted. This bad MC with stamina like Bruce Jenner, the winner, tasting MCs for dinner. You're crazy like the glue, to think that you could outdo my 1-2 that's sick like the flu. Boy, I flip boy all the time, cause boy, the rum you're kicking ain't worth a dime. Seems like there's no competition in this rap world expedition. You come around and knock you out position. No Flav could ever dig a grave for the Mac, the power pack and black, making cement crack. And here comes the brand new flavor in your ear. Max, a brand new flavor in your ear. Here comes the brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Max, a brand new flavor in your ear. Here comes the brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Max, a brand new flavor in your ear. Ha! The Mac is dope, with more hope than your pope, but for MCs more notch than rope. I'd like to break it down, breaking, forsaken lords of MC shaking with the track that my man's making. MCs will run like a bomb threat, I bet, or better yet, make you sweat, getting hotter than the sun get. Craig Mack is the flavor that rocks from here to Tibet. I break all rules with my action that the Mac sends to MCs, stop relaxing. This brand new sheriff that's in town, getting down, leaving bodies buried in the ground. I set up rhymes for a decoy to off a bad boy, watch the MCs I destroy. And here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Max, a brand new flavor in your ear. Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Max, a brand new flavor in your ear. Ha!